Hi, my name is Liam, Technical Manager here at Oprema, otherwise known as the Almanac, and welcome to our latest video. This one is a bit of a bolt-on from a previous video where quite a few of you asked how to add an NVR or IP camera into the Dahua video intercom. So we're going to use the internal monitor to pull the video feeds from a camera into the screen so you can have it all viewed in one location. It's not very long because I know quite a few of you get fed up with looking at this beautiful face. I don't understand why, but thank you for your commitment so far. Please like, share, subscribe. Real distributors, give it a watch. So I've been asked this question quite a few times, how to add your CCTV system onto your indoor monitor. So touch the touchscreen, go to monitor, so you have door, which is the video feed from your outdoor station, as you've seen in the previous video. Also, you don't want that today, so go to IPC, go to add, give it a device name, so today we'll just use Al, the IP address, and your login credentials, and then show you do the option, press the little I symbol there. Bear with me when I just type these details in, and I can put all in. Touch the little I symbol, my fat fingers don't work. They'll give you the details, and then what type it is. So whether it's IPC, NVR, or using IPC, if you are using NVR or XVR, just change that type there for you. There's the video feeds. Once it's been added, it says set successfully, and just hit the little play button, and there you go, there's a live feed from the camera. So there it is. As you can see, there's the camera film in the demo case. There's a live feed right now from there. It is that simple to do. There's not much more to it. It's a nice little handy trick to add your additional cameras, so you can see all your cameras, your CCTV equipment, and your video intercom all in one location. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Any further questions or comments, please don't hesitate to get in touch with myself at almanac@oprema.co.uk or speak to one of my colleagues. Real distributors, see you all again soon.